I'm doing a review of H4 PO3. This is for people who wants to trade this setup, and today also it worked. But I'm not trading till uh, 1st of April. So let's review how is the price action today. So we are clearly bullish. We are bullish from here. Okay, we have done a market structure shift on 1 hour. This is the market structure shift. We had this new day opening gap, also this fair value gap. So this new day opening gap is now working as a support. Okay, so this is the support for us, and I was bullish. I wanted to see this level get hit today, or market should test this level today only. But it's Friday, and so I was not expecting any big momentum today. But let's review H4PO3 in the first session. In the AM session, mm, this was the AM session. We were bullish in the AM session, and I was expecting same run in next session also. Like it should take this session high, and then move toward this high. Okay, so also we had this volume imbalance here, 1 hour volume imbalance here, but as we can see, price was testing it a lot. So as I expected a run above it in the next power of 3 uh, candle, H4 power of 3 candle. Okay, so let's jump into the 15-minute charts. So basically 15-minute gives us the best PDRs that will work for the session, this PM session. So I marked out this volume imbalance, which was the closest PDRA to the opening price. So this is the M15 volume imbalance, and we also had 1 hour order block. This black candle is order block. So I shared this chart on Telegram also. So this order block is 1 hour order block. This is 1 hour order block, and this volume imbalance is 15 minutes volume imbalance. Okay, and this was the opening price. This was the opening price of H4 candle. This is the H4 opening. So we have to buy below the opening. Okay, and we have to sell above the opening price. So it opened, came down. Okay, so let's see it in 1 minute. It opened here at 115, then it came down. Okay, and let me specify it one more time that my entry criteria for this setup is first SMT, second thing is market structure shift, and the market structure shift should happen on both of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, both index or futures chart. Okay, and a breaker block or mitigation block. Okay, because sometimes the breaker will there will be no breaker block according to the SMT. One will do a turtle soup, and another one will not do the turtle soup, and it will be reject from like W or M type of pattern. Okay, so this is my entry criteria: SMT, market structure shift, breaker block. Okay, so let's open Nifty futures in 1 minute chart. This was the opening. Now let's look for SMTs. Okay, first first thing is that uh, firstly, after the opening of the second H4 candle, the first SMT which we can see here is this one. Okay, this made a higher high on Nifty, but here on Bank Nifty it has made a lower low. So this is the first SMT. Okay, and this is the volume imbalance. which we are talking about. Okay, so this is the volume imbalance, and we also are getting a SMT here. So does it mean we have to go directly long here? No, because according to what I have modified in this setup, and whatever I have given my time and according to my experience, we want a breaker or a mitigation block first, and also a market structure shift. Okay, so this was the breaker. Okay, if market would have gone above it, then this would be a breaker, and same situation here, it will be a mitigation block. Okay, so here in Nifty, it it goes above this swing high, but in this market, in Bank Nifty, this it hasn't gone above the swing high. So basically, formation of one more SMT, it means this SMT will be invalidated here. Okay, if it goes above it, then all good, but if it doesn't and it is now started running lower, then you have to wait. So this is what known as market sync. We have to wait for the market to be synced in one direction and then plan the trade accordingly. Okay, so see, if you would have entered of this fair value gap here, okay, or volume imbalance here in a early stage, so that you can have bigger points or small risk. So this doesn't work here because this is not a market maker model. um, this is not a smart money reversal here. Okay, we have to wait for market sync in both. I don't know about forex, but I am telling this about Bank Nifty and Nifty setup. So again, then we have to wait for any more SMT first. Okay, so you can open Nifty chart, and market was coming down, all good. Why it was coming down? We had a SMT here. Okay, this one, this SMT, you can see the cursor, this was the SMT. So market came down. Okay, but we are bullish in high time frame. Okay, we are bullish this 15-minute VI. And what do we anticipate from the volume imbalance? Firstly, the candle should fill the volume imbalance, or it can also close below the volume balance, then the next candle should engulf it. Okay, so that was my anticipation. So it went down here, and then we can look for more SMTs after this swing is created. After this rejection comes here, we have to wait for we have to watch if there is any SMT formation. You can watch it on a bigger time frame also if there are a lot of candles after the 115 opening. So in M3, let's see, this is all synced here, but okay, so as you can see here, this SMT here, and here in Bank Nifty, it has made a lower low. Okay, so this is SMT is now invalidated, and this is the new recent SMT. Okay, now I will shift to 1 minute because I trade this setup in 1 minute. Okay, so this was the SMT we marked. Now what I want, a breaker block or a mitigation block. Okay, the breaker here is this candle. Okay, this one is a breaker block here, whole thing is a breaker. Okay, or but we also see some more price action here. Okay, so let me explain you one more thing. If this is a SMT, then market should like directly go up. Okay, it should not do something like this and then go up, because here we have one more new structure here. This is one more turtle soup here. Okay, this is a turtle soup here. Then you have to take this breaker. Okay, because this is also from A to B, so this one is one more breaker here, and then you can enter off when it retraces here. So let's see if something like this scenario is happened here. So as you can see, market came down. This is the SMT with Nifty. It again went up, one more low here, then again went up. This is A, this is B. It has taken this liquidity here, also this liquidity here. Okay, this equal lows has been taken by this candle. Now do we have any breaker block here? Yeah, that's a breaker block here. Okay, that's a breaker block. What is this blue box? This is the M15VI. What is this line? This line is a H1 auto block. I am removing it. Okay, we are inside a H1 auto block. Also, we are inside a volume imbalance. Now, since this is a breaker, there is a fair value gap inside the breaker. So hence it is a unicorn. You can enter off from this fair value gap. After that candle closes above the breaker, it retraces down to the fair value gap. And what you can target, you can draw the standard deviation projections. Okay, from where to where you can target the projections from this manipulation lag or this manipulation lag. Okay, but I prefer the latest manipulation lag. Okay, so if we see from here to here, we are getting two standard deviations here. So we can book the profits there, or from a high time frame we can see the target here. So that's a target here. You can exit here or just exit at 2 standard deviation or 2.5 standard deviation, according to how much you can hold and how price is showing you the I mean how price is like going away from this breaker block. You can anticipate where it can go. Okay, basically market when taking some buy side or sell side liquidity, I don't prefer when market just do this and then again starts coming down. I want the sell side to be taken like this when market goes above it, like in with very good displacement. It means that the liquidity has been taken very uh, very extremely. It has been taking the price is throwing by the smart money to take this liquidity. And if it just went from like this, okay, let me show you this. See this candle. Okay, that's not good. I don't prefer this type of liquidity. If after this type of liquidity market has given any market structure shift, I will consider it as a fake market structure shift. I want the move above the buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity like this. Okay, like 20-30 points move above. So I will consider that as a liquidity grab or liquidity taken. Okay, so this was the H4 PO3 setup for today. Okay, it was little tough today. Why? Because every time what we are seeing in H4 PO3, let me draw it. We are directly seeing after the SMT. What we can see is like something like this. Okay, directly it was directly going off. But nowadays, what is happening? So something like this. Something like this is happening. So this part is little new for us and little tough to trade sometimes, but if we see this regularly, then we will also do this very easily. Okay, so I hope you have understood how the setup was formed. And this down move is from after we taken this buy side liquidity. Okay, so I don't want it to be a participant of this move, but this was a nice setup for me, although I didn't trade it because um, I was watching this SMT here. Okay, although it got failed here, and I also saw this SMT, but I'm not taking any real trades for some days. I'm in a break. So I hope you enjoyed this H4PO3 setup here. And if you have any doubts, then let me know in the chat on Telegram, or you can directly message me also. So good day guys, and happy weekends.